Are you a UX designer who is creating their first portfolio but you don't want to spend hundreds of hours creating one? Then this video is for you. I will share with you 4 clonable free Webflow portfolios that you can copy instantly that will save you hundreds of hours. Now, each portfolio has a different brand and also is better for certain type of a designer, so make sure you watch till the end of this video to find out which one is good for you. First portfolio we have is created by Matteo Fabiani. As you can see, it is very clean and friendly looking. Hero section, we have some CTAs as well. I'm gonna scroll down. You have this big text on what his value prop is. Here you have some options of skills that you can list for your employers or clients. And then you have some case studies template. So this is just a template, it's not an actual case study, but it has this great title. You have some images, you have some text where you can specify your case study, its design process, etc. To sum up, this portfolio is great for designers who want to give a friendly vibe and also want to use the portfolio to create end-to-end products ranging from UI design to UX design. The second portfolio we have is called Artisan Website, and you can see while the hero section structure is the same as the first one, type that they are using is a serif font to make it seem much more stylish. I'm gonna just go down. Okay, we have a GIF, I think, and then we have all these social proof option, which is good, but our work, meaning your case studies, is not in the home page, it is in a different page, which makes this a bit harder to find if you're an employer who is coming to this site, which I believe is a weakness of this portfolio. To sum up, this portfolio is for you if you want an elegant and stylish look, while also wanting to mostly show UI design work that takes a lot of great imagery. The third portfolio we have is called Empathy, and right along what you see is a splash page that will be a background and then a title text. This is actually good as if you are a designer who is already known, you can put this on top and then the employers will recognize you. However, if you are a new designer, you don't have much chance of having text here to tell who you are, what you do in like one paragraph, which is what you usually do. Now, if we scroll, so you have the types of work that you do, that is good. Your actual case studies are also here, so the work page is also in the home page, that is good. And if we click learn more, it loads and we have text, imagery. Now this is, then we have quotes, etc. We have more images, much more image dominant here, but okay. You have enough text to actually do all the UX design things, I think. This portfolio is great for designers who want to give the vibe of highly stylish, but also already have a reputation under their belt that they don't need much text to inform other employers on who they are. And the last Webflow free portfolio is Liam for short, and it has this gigantic serif font to give this stylish look on top. You have to scroll to get to who the designer is, and then we can get to learn more. You can also see how the interactions are very playful, so it's almost quirky. Stylish and quirky is the brand I think they are going for. And if we decide to, let's say, click on a work project, this page for this portfolio is the best. I believe out of all these portfolios, this one has the best work case study page where you can have fantastic splash pictures of your prototypes, texts, cards, all are on point that you can use. It's just great if you're a designer who is gonna do complex application work. Look at this, all the design system options, all these images you can put. It's just great. This portfolio is for designers who want to give the vibe of professional and clean, while also wanting to show that they are established in the industry. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you also want to learn how to create your first full case study, please click on this next video here.